There's somebody climbing over there. That is pretty cool.
Rifle Mountain Park, and we're gonna go see some ice caves. There's the first one right over there. Come with us. Mama.
Okay, we just put our crampons or cleats, metal cleats on our shoes. So, Kiara, you want to show? There you go. Let's go and take a look over here. Kai, you want to show your cleats? Whoa! And Mama?
I like my blue.
And I have mine right here. Woo! Almost fell.
Ready to go.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. Water?
Yeah.
The ice and the caves. Oh, this is actually pretty cool.
It is.
Let's see how, yes?
Yeah, you're up.
That's pretty cool. Just be careful, don't go under the icicles.
Why?
Because that's dangerous.
Weź mokra.
And also it can fall on you.
We drove this morning from the Denver metro area all the way here to the Rifle Mountain Park. Do you think this is going to be on the other? We're gonna get to the other side of the trail?
Yeah.
Oh, so we can go this way. Take you guys. I thought it was going to be like really dark, but actually there's plenty of light here. According to that sign, we're gonna be going to the upper cave. I guess this is the lower cave. I didn't see the sign earlier. Keep going. Are you having fun, guys?
So trippy.
Isn't that awesome? Look at that. Look at the ice.
This is so
You can
cool.
touch it. You can touch it. Yeah, you can touch it.
Mama, did she touch it?
Oh, it's like there's like a hole in the middle and the water is dripping through it.
Oh, it's going through it. That's interesting.
There you go. Did she have to touch it to go up?
And we just noticed something. Look at the blue lights. Just the ice reflecting through the...
Look at this.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Look at
It's
this.
a blue light. Oh, what did you get there? Get it.
From the ground.
A piece of icicle?
It was stuck on the ground. We're actually in a vacation, and after this ice caves, we're going to a hotel. It's actually a house from another
And
person.
where is the hotel, Kiara?
Moab.
Yes! Over here. Super cool.
That's our one.
Oh, there's a little spider. Oh, maybe we should take her to
Outside the cave?
take her outside the cave because she might freeze over here.
I
Yeah,
have
she
this.
needs some food.
I'm gonna push it.
Okay, let's see. Are you gonna take the spider?
Oh, he's gonna.
Whoa!
Make sure to stop
I'm
hard.
gonna take the spider to where the vegetation is way better for her. We just saved the spider! Yay!
Look, the homework's giving good slides.
Be careful here, okay?
Good slides.
Hey, thank you guys for saving the spider.
Yes, who fixed it? I thought it was frozen in the ice,
Oh,
so I did this a little.
okay,
so I
okay.
found out that it was not.
that's awesome. Look at this! I got a spider on my pants!
You
Ah!
guys move.
We're gonna save her
I
again.
slide.
Okay, I slide.
This way. Woohoo! Who's sliding?
Okay, do it again. Do it again. I was everything.
Time to crawl. Let's do it. Okay, and let me just go and turn the camera around. Okay, here we go down. I think I'm gonna go on the side. This is fun.
It's gonna be a good slide.
Okay, now I can walk. See, guys, I'm trying to just go through. Look at all the cave here.
Well, we could have just come in through the other side.
This is more fun though. Oh, I think I'm gonna slide down. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm trying to make it through. Oh wow, this is just beautiful. Okay, let me go on the other side so you can take the picture. Just give me a second. Photo bumper! Look at these two. That's nice. Looks like we're standing in water.
Big Daddy right in front of me.
See you in the next adventure.